What is up, my irresistible mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 4 alternatives to Dior Sauvage. But before I get into the video, if you like the content I make here on YouTube, please consider hitting that big red button and subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. The first fragrance I'm going to be talking about today is Paco Rabanne's Pure Excess. This comes in at about $70 Australian, and you would wear this in a lot of the same situations that you would wear Dior Sauvage. It's sweeter, it's a little boozier, and it's more of a going out scent, you know, if you're going to hit up the clubs, go to a bar. But I still think it's a fantastic alternative to Dior Sauvage, chiefly because Dior Sauvage is getting even harder to find here in Australia. Like, nowhere in my towns, or any of the towns near me, have Dior Sauvage in stock. You've got to go online to buy it. However, Pure Excess is readily available, and it's also cheaper than Sauvage as well. Same sort of performance, same powerful projection. This is just less spicy and sweeter. It's a great alternative, and it's going to be great for compliments as well. People love the way this one smells. Next up is the cheapest fragrance on the list, Ford Craftsman. This smells like a cross between Versace Dillon Blue, more on that later, and Dior Sauvage, but it is regularly on sale at Priceline for $15. At Chemist Warehouse it's generally about $20, so I would get this from Priceline if I were you, as I got this bottle for $20. This one, very, very strong. Be careful how much you spray though, because this is a very potent scent. It's in your face, it's aggressive, it's spicy, it's versatile, and it performs like an absolute monster. This one's great for compliments as well, and it's a little cross between Dior Sauvage and Dillon Blue. Again, don't overspray this one. But for $15, this is literally one of the best fragrances you can buy here in Australia. Next up is a fragrance that I was speaking about in my video yesterday, and I'm actually wearing this one today. Bulgari Man Black cologne. This is a fresher alternative to Dior Sauvage. It smells absolutely divine. Black cologne is warm, ambery, and it has a really big citrus punch in the opening. The fragrance performs exceptionally, and you can find it for under $100 Australian pretty much at any retailer you go to. I've even seen it as low as $60 on eBay. And lastly, perhaps my favorite of the bunch, Versace Dillon Blue. This smells very close to Dior Sauvage, but it's smokier and it has a lot more complexity in my opinion. It's just as aggressive in the opening, however, that subtle smokiness during the mid that leads into the dry down, it lasts, it lingers, and it just gives this a very mature, elegant vibe that Sauvage doesn't necessarily have. The fragrance is fantastic, and you can find it at Priceline on sale for $99. And this regularly goes on sale as well. This also has a really powerful amber note, which gives it that longevity and the performance. Of all of these fragrances, if you can only try one, I probably would recommend Versace's Dillon Blue. It's a fantastic alternative to Dior Sauvage, and it's a little cheaper than Dior Sauvage as well. Anyways, if you've got a great alternative to Sauvage, let me know in the comments below. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.